Hello, my name is Jane and I'm from Leggett Immobilier, and I'm really pleased to introduce you to this stunning property in Merillac. The property has 3 homes within it. There's the main house, which has 5 bedrooms, all with en-suites. The adjoining house, which is joined through one door, which is lockable in the summer kitchen area, and they have 3 bedrooms. And separated by a small gravel drive is also a 1-bedroom gîte, with another room which is currently being used as an office, but could be a small bedroom. The kitchen is fully fitted with a wood burner and a gas hob and a double oven, all of which are being left in the property, perfect for any meal that you would want to create. Moving in from the kitchen, there's a small snug which is currently used as a gentleman's library. Leading from the snug is a huge reception room with beautiful original wood flooring. It's got a huge open fire, and the current owners have a large table which is perfect for those big family meals. The lounge area is at the front of the house. It's bright and airy, but it's also cosy. You can shut the doors on the other reception room to really feel enclosed with the beautiful wood burner. As we go up the original wooden staircase, which has been lovingly restored by the current owners to its former beauty, you reach the first of the bedrooms. There is also another large room on this floor. Plus a gentleman's study. And an additional room which in the past has been used as a nursery, but is quite a large room and has direct access down to the front of the house via an outside staircase. As you go further up the stairs, there are an additional 2 bedrooms, both with en-suites. They're bright and airy, with views to the front of the house. Many of the features in the property are original and have been restored to maintain the charm using the original fixtures and fittings, as you can see from various cubby holes and storage areas. The adjacent house is reached through a summer kitchen at the rear of the property through a single door. It also has its own access out to the beautiful garden. It's got 2 main bedrooms, and it's also got a charming attic room which the current owner's grandchildren have used to stay in, with its own bathroom and a staircase out to the garden. The beautiful garden at the rear of the property is mainly laid to lawn. It also has a small pond, it has fruit trees and a very healthy vegetable patch at the back. The property also has outbuildings. It's surrounded by fields, and once the corn has harvested, there are superb views across the Breton countryside. Merillac is a small village based in between Brune and Merdrinac, both larger towns which have all the amenities that you would wish for. Brune also has a train station providing easy links to Paris, Dinan and Rennes. There's beautiful countryside, there are lots of lakes nearby and lots of beaches which are a mere half an hour away to the north. This is one of those properties that as soon as you walk in the door, it grabs you. It has a warmth and a coziness which is sometimes difficult to attain for a property of this size. It's ideal for either multi-generational living or if you wanted to invest and rent out the properties. What more could you want in the heart of the Breton countryside?